good morning, good afternoon, good evening to wherever you're watching this. I'm out of breath because I just heard the mailman downstairs and he knew I've been waiting for something for a while. The mailman not a hoe, so when I say somebody not a hoe, it's not like he out here smashing everybody. I mean, he don't stall me out. He not gonna make me wait, he not gonna make me beg. As soon, I didn't even hear the mail truck open. I heard something scan, and it's either two things: either parking enforcement, the mailman, or that one dude around here who think he Amazon, but he not. So I want to show y'all something. Forgive me, I'm fat, I'm out of breath, but I've been waiting for this for a while. Stay tuned. You're watching this? That's right. This is something I've been waiting for a while. I had to get my dollars up because it wasn't swollen enough, but now they is, or no, they were. The money's gone. But to give you an idea of what this is a Serialnine shifter relocation kit. This is what the box looks like. Is this cheap? No, it ain't. Retails for $500. This isn't sponsored. This isn't paid for. I want to thank 9K Racing for helping me acquire this. I ordered it on a, what is it? I ordered it on a, what was it? It only took like 3 days to get here. That's the point. Serialnine short shift relocation thing. I'm gonna open this box up so y'all can see. Just a few places I had to take the tape off. Hope I took it off the right way. So thank you guys. It's just a quick little fucking, if I can get the box though. So now we're gonna open this motherfucker. All right, open the box. What do you got here? Serialnine data sheet, I'm sure. It's installation paper. What it come with? All right, it's got BAM. Simple facts. I mean, it's pretty simple. If you can't read this diaphragm, I guess you shouldn't really be working on cars. Installation, tools needed, parts, see figure D. D, that's funny. But right, bam, so you know what you're getting. You get this. What the fuck is this? Thank you for purchasing the Serialnine shifter. This updated design has an easily replaceable, what? Bear with me, y'all. Y'all see this. What else we got in here? Ooh, stickers. I love stickers. So you get 1, 2, 3 stickers. All parts for off-road use only. Yeah, I don't really care about that because it's more. All right, so bam, take the paper off, and here it is. This is, ooh. Now, if you order this does not come with a shift knob. So it comes with this shift thingy. You got this thingy. So, all right, I gotta stop calling things thingies. These are bushings. So if you got like a CD, I think it's like, there's different types of CD transmissions. Here's the bolts that go up top and to the side of the trans. But this is what I really care about. Hold on, I'm gonna have to, let me, Serialnine, I appreciate that you went through the time to actually bubble wrap this. You ain't throw all this shit in a clapped out box and tried to mail it to me. Oh, this shit just gets even better. So this goes on like the little trans part. They got a little thing in there. So when the time comes when I do the installation, y'all gonna see it. I gotta stop calling things, but thing number 1, thing number 2, thing number 3, thing number 4, bolts. And then this is the bread and the butter. Let me open this real quick. This right here, probably the easiest thing I had to open. The way he put this tape on directionally, it was just like boom, boom, boom. It was like uncovering a fucking infinity gauntlet. Look at this. I want y'all to look at this. This shit beautiful. This shit beautiful. I done seen a few shifter relocation kits in my time. This shit smell nice. Like, it don't smell greasy. Like, look at the pilot. This shit's greased up already. This shit is literally ready in here to go. So to explain to y'all how this works, the Serialnine is fairly long transmission, so this shortens it up. And then with this, you can either place it here, 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 depending on where you want your shifter to be. So that means you could have it in stock location for where you want it, like hand-wise. So that way you don't have your, like, say if your trans is here, you don't want it all the way over there, over here. Like, you can position it where you want. So judging by the layout of this, I'm all in like the attention to detail. So this shit is nice. This shit even smell nice, bro. Like, I wish y'all could smell this. This smell fancy. Like, this shit smooth. Like, as I feel, like, I know this don't matter, but like, as I run my hand on the edges of the part, it's like been deburred. It's not like no snags. Like my hand's not gonna get cut. I'm like, you're probably thinking like, why does that even matter? Because you're gonna put it on the car anyway. It's like, if I paid this shit $500, so I better see $500 worth of shit. I done seen a lot of shit that's $500, and I'm like, what? Why? But I could see why this shit. Like, I don't know if this seems like fucking. Yeah, that's fucking prime right there, bro. Like, excuse me, I ain't used to having really nice things. Usually, I buy my shit second hand, but like, this is one of the very few things, like, I'm trying not to get it greasy, so it's like, I gotta wrap this up like baby Jesus, you feel me? Like, in a manger. Put this away. All y'all that's watching, I'm gonna put this in the car and see how it runs. We're like mid-May, it's like May 16th today, so I'm gonna put this in the car soon. I gotta drop my old trans, put all this other stuff in, so this is like the last piece. So I've got this. All I need left is the transmission bracket and the drive shaft. And then I gotta weld the diff. And the goal is to slide the 34. Fuck it. I see a lot of people who have R34. They keep that shit pristine. The goal is to not fuck up the car. So I'm trying not to drift to that Grange. But fuck, I can't determine what I'm gonna do with my life from here until next couple months. Shit, life's short, you know what I'm saying? I don't wanna not use the car. So thank you for watching. And as always, y'all have a beautiful day. And I'll see y'all soon.